Bless you. Growing a little dogwood tree. Come on. Boy, I had to cut this grass next week.
Yeah. It's coming right along, sure.
You leave her alone, Buster. Here comes the bear boy. Hey, bear boy. Oh, that really makes Prissy mad.
Bear's outside, huh?
Bear, you getting a little more prissy walking every day.
Yeah, bear stinks back here.
Really. Disgusting, bear. Prissy, there's just no justice, is there? Hey, Rufus! Hey, Rufus! Hey, little Rufus! Hey, little Poofus! Come on, oh yeah, he gets a good dog. Prissy the dog getting all the loving. Yes, he is. He's getting all the loving. Yes, he is. He's getting all the loving. Yeah, you got that little furry dog. What'd you do with that ball? You put it over there on O.W.'s plants, didn't you? Hey, don't be taking no dump there. There, good. Spread it around. I found out a long time ago. Here we are on this wonderful 8th day of May. We're at the Festival of Flowers at the Biltmore house in Asheville, North Carolina, along with the Columbia Bible College. And there's the Queen in all her glory. And there's old Al. He took his sight test. He said it was harder than the first one. Really. Hey, Al. Yeah.
Just gotta move off guard over there. Trying to find a side space. Oh, that lot we were in originally?
Way over there.
So now we can back up.
We're supposed to move?
I can tell you're standing up like that. All right. Let's go. Very, very nice. Debbie, can you tell Sherry just to move my car? Tom! I'm gonna walk.
Here's our fearless leader.
Hello, hello, hello. We're having so much fun.
Are we having fun yet? Are we there yet?
Not exactly.
What's the password? We need to see your passport. Sammy? What a sexy looking driver there.
Paul and Julie Ferris are here. Ray, Becky, Austin. Okay, there you are. Hey, haven't seen y'all this weekend.
Good to see.
Tourette. Is that it? Miles and Christy. Tourette. Three. Sorry. Okay.
They're no threat.
Alan and Dila.
Yeah.
Dilla. There you are. Okay.
Good child.
Indy. David.
Wait a second. How old is
Two. Okay. David and Diane. Indy.
Right here. There's a 13-year-old.
Okay. We need to talk about that. Okay, and how about Joe? Where'd it go? There you go.
Where'd it go?
Bentley.
Yeah. What?
Well,
Right.
Yeah.
Send that for those that pay them later.
We'll go down here and hop us the ride. Probably gonna be a bunch of people up here today, huh?
Oh, I want to go to California. He's never been to California.
It's like a wonderland. I think it's much better. There's like a bunch of buggies up here driving through these old cars up here. See them? It's going to be able to hear them get the motors and stuff. Hey, don't let those cars go. Check your emission control. Sounds mighty quiet. Want to turn that off?
It'll be 30 minutes. I won't have time to go. We'll be here about 3 o'clock.
Thank you, Dennis. We lost you and we wanted to you decided to go and meet the girl. Did you go down this?
Lead on, oh, great tour guide.
You want to go through
Let me, sure. Be less people now, I'm sure. I'd rather have Jesus.
Well, so you stupid, not looking straight out. Mom, get a picture of him looking at you.
Aslan. Okay, Bubby.
Thank you for not photographing or videotaping the interior of the one.
Hey, we're gonna get this. Now, I'm not too and all about living in a big whole house like that, but I sure like to have the scenery like this. Probably in 1895, they probably had, you could look out there every once in a while and see little deer and stuff.
Oh, a really nice view.
I know one thing, you better move if you want through that big old house.
Huh?
I know one thing, you better be moving if you're going to go through that big old thing.
I'm going to go on the balcony. Okay, way down.
Oh, it's way, way down.
I just noticed kept a team of people busy thinking and laying out stuff. And how much involved do you think he was in the decision process?
They score.
give you the willies out here.
No place to be if you're scared of heights, that's for sure.
Like a mighty fortress.
Coming.
Drainage off the...
And now some house cleaner lives here.
Another one. You like it here?
Of course, I'm not getting any sound. They're good, aren't they? That's what Shady Grove does in worship. I will worship the Lord with all of my might. Okie doke. Get on with the program. Don't be taking videos in the house. Can't play ball or... We don't need two of those. Maybe someone else will want it.
Ladies and gentlemen, from the village of Newbegin by the Sea in the English county of Northumberland, we bring you the traditional Rapper Sword Dance, presented today by the Cutting Edge Sword Dance Team.
Me and you and Dad, all three of us did the same way.
Yeah, I'll sit on the steps maybe, watch them if they stay over there. You notice that one reason that one guy falls, he didn't level his head at the right time.